Staying on the track, earlier this year, Jamaica College strengthened their coaching staff with the addition of the 1983 400-meter world champion Bert Cameron. And while not making any predictions out of their recent season opener, he's confident they'll do well in the upcoming track and field season. Jamaica College opened their track and field season at the recent Tyson Mills Classic, and quarter-mile coach Bert Cameron was pleased with the performances.
The boys that we are working with, they're willing to learn. They always asking questions, and you know, they push themselves to a limit. The boys, if you look at the 200 meter, we dominated the 200 meters, and then we come and dominate class 1 400.
Cameron says that for the most part, the athletes are where they need to be.
We are doing exactly what we want. It's not like we're behind in anything. I mean, a couple of the boys are behind, but the ones and the core athletes, they're right where they're supposed to be at.
And he says that they're not rushing the season, but instead taking things one meet at a time.
We look exactly the way we want to look, and so we're just going to take. We're not preempting it. We're not thinking about December, January, February. We are building up until the last day. And when that time comes, I hope that we're looking even better than what we're looking now, and then you can come back to me.
Cameron parted ways with his alma mater, San Diego High, after more than a decade as coach of the boys program. He was hired to work alongside head of sprints Corey Bennett, focusing on building JC's speed program.
Mr. Bennett is the one who's in charge, so you know we have to work with the program that he sets. But while we do it, he specifically put me in charge of the 400 meters, which is work out great. I mean, one person just don't come out and say, all right, this is what's going to happen. We all come together as a coach, and the work that we're doing now, where it's showing a lot of progress. But I'm having a great time there. You know, I'm doing something that I really love, and I'm getting the opportunity to really show my craft.